guys, Chef Vanny here, and I'm going to show you how to do some balsamic beets. Beets are in season right now, so we always want to eat seasonally, and they're also really good for a lot of things. Blood flow, good for blood flow to the brain for dementia, really good to actually increase folic acid, good for athletic performance. If you are going to eat a beet to extend your endurance, make sure you do it 2 to 3 hours. You work out 2 to 3 hours after you eat the beet, and that's when it's really taking action. Always wear your gloves because it makes a mess when you work with beets, okay? So here we go. We got 3 garlic cloves minced up first in the pot. The next thing we're gonna do is add in some walnuts. Okay, so we got walnuts and we got our garlic. You don't have to use a food processor, but I do because it's just way easier. So that was about 1 cup of walnuts. Then we're gonna add in some onions. So here goes the onion. I'm gonna make it like a dice, 1 red onion. We're going for all red foods. All your red and orange foods are really high in vitamin A, which are your beauty vitamin. They're good for your hair, skin, nails, eyes, and teeth. Then we're gonna do actually some butter, okay? So when you mix oil and butter together, what's nice about that is it keeps the butter from burning if you mix it. So we're gonna put the butter down first. And the way that I like to cook, I like to minimize heat, oxidation, and water evaporation. That way your foods, they retain as much integrity and you're actually preserving like 2 to 3 times the nutritional value. When you eat that way, you get full faster, you're full longer, you have more energy, it's more digestible. So always make sure you eat complete, okay? Hashtag eat complete. We just did a carrot. Carrots are awesome for your eyes. You know how I know that? You never see a bunny wearing glasses. Just kidding. All right, so now we're gonna add in some beets. So I like to also use the beet tops. So the tops can be used as a garnish at the end. You can also juice them. You can use beets for dips, juices, salads. They're great raw. A lot of people think you need to shred the skin off, but you actually don't. 40 to 60% of the nutritional value is in the first 1/8 of the peel on your root vegetables. So try not to peel them off, okay? So we're just doing our beets through here. Also, if your beets are getting kind of old in the fridge, you could always put them in some water and rehydrate them. So we're putting that in. And also, if you're into making your own natural like beauty regimens, you could totally use beets as a lipstick. Or even a little bit of blush. Okay, so here we go. Got the beets in. Now we're just gonna take that and add in some, obviously, salt and pepper, a little S&P action. All right, because we're preserving so much of the mineral content in these beets, you actually don't need to put so much salt on them because you're getting it from the natural source, balsamic. And when you build your plates like this, your dishes, and then you stick them on the stove on medium heat, let them sizzle for a little bit and then reduce the temperature down to low heat. What's happening is you're not opening up and oxidizing the vitamins and minerals, okay? So when you smell your food cooking, you're actually smelling evaporated vitamins and minerals. You don't want that to happen. We're using avocado oil, and that's a medium chain fat. So you've got your short, medium, and long chain fatty acids. The longer the chain, the more sensitive, like olive oil. But the avocado, coconut, grapeseed, those are all great ones to cook with where you're not actually evaporating out vitamins and minerals and breaking down the chain of amino acids into a trans fat. A lot of information. You can always instant message me or reach out to me if you have more questions, okay? So now we have this beautiful dish right here. If you wanted to finish it with some fresh herbs, now would be the time. We're gonna pop it on the stove, put it on medium heat, wait for it to sizzle a little bit, turn it down to low heat, and then add a teeny bit of water when you reduce it to low around the rim. That way you're not opening up and oxidizing, but you're also rehydrating and creating a little bit of steam in order to cook the tops of the vegetables without opening it and messing with the food. So I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions about heat, oxidation, water evaporation, recipes, this is your flexitarian chef, Vanna, and I'm happy to help you. Talk to you soon.